Hello ladies and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So today I'm going to do a review of this. It is Juice Beauty. I'm going to start doing more reviews of them. I am very interested in Juice Beauty. I really love their branding. I have a fellow makeup artist who swears by them, loves them. So I'm starting to dabble in Juice Beauty. So I went out and bought their concealer. So this is about $25. Let me take it out of the packaging. It's $25, comes like this, if you can see that, if it's too reflective. So it's a good size. You have a good amount in here. You know, pretty, I actually tucked my finger in already because I couldn't wait. But, and it's, I thought this looked great. I think this color's right for me. It might be a little bit light, we'll see. But I'm interested because I'm with Clean Beauty, let me just stammer for like 5 minutes. With Clean Beauty, one of the concerns I've always had with it, with non-toxic beauty, is I want to use it. I'm very supportive of that. But how does it come out on the skin? How does it read on the skin? Is it goopy? You know, it's come a long ways. There's been a lot of research done on Clean Beauty and not using toxic ingredients. And if you want to know what toxic ingredients I'm talking about, I'll put them down below. But also on my website, I have a whole write-up on what is that? Like, what is it? And I do it with Dr. Denise Warden on skin and what to look out for. So it's really, that's a really valuable things to know. So this is what I'm going to try. I've not tried it. Okay. I just tucked my finger into it. I haven't put it on me. So yay. And I'm going to compare that to Nars Creamy Concealer, which if you watch my videos, you know, I really love this product. I use it a lot, but it's not Clean Beauty. The Nars is about $30. The Juice Beauty, I believe this was $25. I'll put it down below, but I'm pretty sure it was $25. So this is a little bit cheaper, which is unusual. Normally these are can be a little bit pricier, just depends. But Nars is a very well-known concealer. It's probably their top-selling product, one of their top-selling. So we'll see. I have no concealer on. I have everything else, but I have no concealer. So, okay, so let's start with the Nars because I know how this reads on the skin. So I'm going to just put it on my hand because this is from my kit, okay? So I can't put this directly on my skin because it's from my kit and I use it on lots of people that I make up. So I don't want to touch that to my face. So, all right. So I've blended two because I do that. Not that Nars doesn't have ones that would match my skin, but that I don't buy everything. I blend a lot. So I save money, right? Because I have so much makeup. It's very scary. Okay. So I'm going to put it on with my finger. I like putting concealer on with my finger because it warms on your skin really nicely. So that's pretty. And I just touch it right up in here. So I know I use this one. I love it. I know it looks good. So as you can tell, I just kind of tap it into my skin. So I'm very interested in the Juice Beauty and how that's going to read. Because I know this has a little bit of an iridescence to it. So it's a little bit of a highlight as well as being a concealer. So it conceals all my darkness through here as well as highlighting. A little bit. But it's nice. I like it. Okay, so there you go. Very good. See, that works. And you can see my dark circle there. Lovely. All right, so let's try the Juice Beauty. So again, I'm going to use my finger. So it's a little, maybe a little light on me color-wise. Just going to tap that down my nose a little bit. I always highlight or use concealer a little bit kind of through this area. But don't pull it too far over here because it can set in fine lines and stuff. Really love what concealer can do. I think it's kind of a must-have for older women. Even if you don't use foundation, just tap a little bit of concealer around your eyes. Really key. So that's doing a really good job. Look how nicely that sort of blended in. What do you think? What do you think? Which one do you like better? I'd love for you guys to write down below which one you like better, what you think of that. I like it. It's not as dewy. See how dewy that is? And that's because this has a little bit of iridescent to it. which I like about Clean Beauty that it doesn't put that in there, because that I think is part of the toxins, you know, that we're trying to avoid. So you're going to get more of a matte look, but I can still see some dewiness in there. So that's actually really, really pretty, but it did cover my dark circle, which is so great. So I'm going to put a little powder on both because my skin is super healthy. I use great skincare. I use Truth Treatments skincare. I sell it on my site. Go have a look. I use it because I love it and it's the best in the world, I think. But all right, what do you guys think? Which one do you like better? Which one do you think you would buy? I mean, the price point on this is less, but this one has a little bit more of a sheen to it, I think. So I don't know. I mean, I think this did a really good job. I'm interested to see if it sets in fine lines. I don't think it is. I don't think it is. I think it's actually holding up pretty well. I think I like the Juice Beauty a lot. And the fact that it's clean, it's non-toxic. So, you know, if you find a non-toxic clean product that works great, just as well as the other brands, then I would say, you know, go for it. But that's my own opinion. All right, write your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about concealer and Clean Beauty. Any questions you might have about it. I think it's a super important subject that we as women need to be in dialogue about, because we're trying to live toxin-free lives, which is very, very difficult in our current state of the world. But let's do the best we can, and hope you like this. I think it's great. Have a great day.